How long will the Three Gorges Dam really last? The answer might surprise you. From the moment it was still on the drawing board to the day it was fully operational, the Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River has sparked intense interest and debate, both inside and outside of China. Some experts have voiced concerns about potential environmental and engineering risks, while others have praised its impact on flood control, power generation, and inland navigation. Technically speaking, the Three Gorges Dam is a concrete gravity dam, meaning it holds back the immense pressure of water using only its own weight. During its construction, about 28 million cubic meters of concrete and 500,000 tons of steel were used, along with special additives to enhance durability, prevent cracking, and improve water resistance. It was built to withstand a 1-in-1,000-year flood, a rare and extreme weather event. Despite this, some skeptics argue that large dams rarely last beyond 50 years. Official sources, however, state that the Three Gorges Dam was designed with a lifespan of around 150 years, potentially operating safely through the year 2156. Of course, its real-world longevity will depend on maintenance, operational care, environmental conditions, and future technological advances. Maintenance is ongoing and rigorous. A vast network of sensors constantly monitors the dam's condition, detecting even the slightest movement or leakage. Every year, a dedicated team inspects and repairs minor cracks, applies anti-corrosion treatments to gates, and replaces key components as needed. Over the years, the dam has successfully weathered several major floods. In 2020, it faced what was described as once-in-a-century flood, with peak inflows of 75,000 cubic meters per second. The dam opened 11 spillways simultaneously, managing the crisis without the need to activate emergency flood diversion zones. In drier seasons, it helps double the Yangtze's water flow to support over 150 downstream cities. One of the dam's ongoing challenges is sedimentation. To manage this, China uses seasonal sand flushing strategies, especially during the flood season. In 2025 alone, nearly 2 million cubic meters of sediment are expected to be flushed through the use of advanced digital modeling and precise water regulation. This raises an inevitable question: what happens when the dam reaches the end of its design life? Globally, dams approaching the end of their lifespan are often evaluated for potential extensions. Take the Hoover Dam, for example. Originally designed for 50 years, it has now been in operation for nearly 90, thanks to regular upgrades and careful monitoring. If an extension isn't viable, dismantling would need to be planned meticulously. The Three Gorges Dam is more than a hydroelectric plant. It affects ecosystems, shipping routes, and the lives of millions. Any decommissioning plan would need to be paired with alternative infrastructure to ensure continuity in flood control, power supply, and river traffic. Such decisions must also weigh environmental, economic, and social impacts, including resettlement and regional livelihoods. Future planning would likely benefit from better data, smarter simulations, and more inclusive policymaking. Ultimately, the lifespan of a dam isn't a fixed number. It's a dynamic process shaped by science, strategy, and stewardship. With proper care, the Three Gorges Dam could continue to serve its vital functions for generations to come, although, like all man-made structures, its time will eventually run out. But when that moment comes, will we be ready? And what will replace it? What do you think should happen to megastructures like this once they reach their limit? Let us know in the comments.